today's video, we're going to be looking at My Legion Secret and exactly some affiliate tips. This is, I think, the third or fourth video in the series that I'm actually making at the moment. And I hope that is going to give you the knowledge or the information, the guidelines, if you want to call it, to make a decision if you want to get started with this strategy or not. Now, there are tons of strategies when it comes to affiliate marketing out there. We are going to link this to a funded proposal strategy that I follow or have been following for the last 3 years. And I hope this helps you guys. Okay. Now, a lot of people do come to my channel if they're reviewing My Legion Secret, if they want to get some information about it, to see whether it works, it doesn't work, as part of a case study as well. And so I hope you understand that I'm an active user of My Legion Secret for the last 3 years. And I've gradually opened up more accounts just because of the fact that it has been working for me. So I will give you an honest review on things, but at the end of the day, you have to see whether this makes sense for you. And today's video is really important about that because I'm going to talk about affiliate marketing tips when it comes to using this kind of a traffic source and why I personally like it. So let me just cover my strategy very quickly so that you guys, we can jump into the main, content of this video. So my strategy is as you can see on the screen right here, has a very simple step where we're using My Legion Secret in the first as a catalyst. Okay, as literally as a catalyst to get started with everything. I send it to offers and I use basically Warrior Plus, ClickBank, and a couple of other offers that I have on the back end. So something like Lead Lightning, something like OLSP system, and stuff like that. I do send this traffic to, and I've been getting good conversions with it. So this is why I want to talk about it and give you guys some tips regarding this strategy itself. Okay, so that's primarily what we're going to be talking about today. And My Legion Secret is the catalyst of everything. So I spend $30 a month to maintain this traffic source, and I'm able to earn around $300 to $500 on a lower month. This is again my results. I cannot guarantee you these results. They're not typical. Understand that you have to put in the work and the effort. But in order to generate these results, when I do get them, I am able to use that as a fund, as a perpetual fund actually, for my paid advertising to build my email list, my funnel, so on and so forth. Okay, so it's a very simple strategy that I follow. I've been doing it for the last 3 years, guys. Okay, this is not something that I'm changing overnight every year that I'm deciding. No, it's the same thing that I'm doing because it just works. And when something works, I want to be doing more of it. That's simply how I look at it. Okay, so My Legion Secret basically gives you 100 to 100 leads every single day, and these leads are leads in the make money online niche or in the business opportunity niche. And you can see like here 100 drip fed business opportunity email subscribers. I want to stop and share with you about this because I think it's really important for you guys to understand the logic here when you're writing your emails, and this is the first tip that I want to share with you. But before I get to it, let me just finish like what My Legion Secret is. So there's business opportunity leads. You get about for $30 a month, you can get those 100 leads every single day. Now, if you do have one other person join My Legion Secret, then you can get 200 leads every day. Either which ways, the first month it costs you $60 because there's a one-time, as you can see right here, one-time setup fee. By the way, I'll leave a link to this in the description of this video in case you do want to get started with My Legion Secret. If not, that's absolutely fine. I hope this video is helpful and educational for you. And then $30 every single month to maintain. So your active cost, let me put it that way, is $30. And you can see right here that they're done for you. Well, sorry, the business opportunity subscribers, and you're going to get them once every 24 hours. And you have to, just because you receive these leads doesn't mean you're going to make sales. I just want to make that clear. Okay, these are email subscribers. Therefore, they're giving you the platform to email these leads, and based on your skill set as a marketer, you can get conversions or not. And I say this because I have a lot of people reaching out to me and asking me sometimes, how many leads do you have, how many this do you have? Well, honestly, it really doesn't matter if you have 100 leads or 10,000 leads or 100,000 leads. Yes, accumulating gives you more visibility, but the conversion of those leads is based on your marketing skills. It has nothing to do with anything else. And I'm saying this over and over again because many people reach out to me sometimes with the fact that they think just because I have a quantity of leads, it makes the difference. Well, I'm going to tell you that it doesn't, because I've had old accounts which have over 200,000 leads, and I have the newest account which has literally just 3,000 leads, and I'm making the same amount of sales on the newest account just because I understand these simple affiliate marketing techniques, okay, which is basically understanding your audience. And I'm going to share with that in this video. Okay, so you're going to learn about this. It's not about the quantity, it's about the quality. I will keep saying this again and again. Okay, that's one thing to pay attention to. And then if you do get somebody to join My Legion Secret, you can also earn a residual income of $5 per user, active user, with My Legion Secret. Okay, and there are 5 levels down. I don't really focus on this. I use it for the traffic, and I'm going to talk to you guys about the traffic. So one of the things that I want to mention is, as you guys can see, I send out an email every day to an offer, but I send out an email basically through My Legion Secret, right? That's the core crux of it all. The emails that I send, yes, you have to understand who the audience is, so who your leads are. Who are your leads? Business opportunity leads, make money online niche leads, not health, not somebody looking for dog product, not somebody looking to improve their health, not somebody looking to do, I don't know, some outdoor activity. They're leads that are looking to make money on the internet or learn about strategies that they can apply to make money. So why am I saying this? Because the moment you understand the buyer intent, so these leads are looking for either opportunities, trainings, software that can help them on this journey of making money on the internet as a side hustle. Okay. The moment you understand the buyer intent of that, you understand also what are the pain points that these people have. Well, I'm sure that they are bombarded with, because I'm in the industry for such a long time, I'm saying this, but you can do your research as well. You know that they're bombarded with, offer after offer. You know that they are looking at strategy after strategy. They get distracted. What are their pain points? Start to name all these things out. And as you name these struggles out, all those struggles are actually content points to write the emails. And I'm saying this to you guys because the moment you understand literally the buyer intent of a platform like this, you can convert those leads into sales easily. Okay. It doesn't happen overnight. You do have to build a relationship with them, but the consistency of that is a higher higher conversion rate than in any other way or shape or form, right? So that's how I look at it. So first, understand the buyer intent. Secondly, is knowing how to communicate. Okay. The second tip that I have for you specifically is knowing literally how to write your emails, because which we already discussed in the last one. So I'm not going to go into many details about it. You have to pay attention to just the relationship building, right? How are you actually writing those emails? You're speaking to an audience that has this need of solving these pain points, these struggles, these problems. So you can use Facebook. I use multiple offers. One offer right now, I'm focusing on like on a Facebook angle, and I'm able to talk about Facebook to these guys. So if you think about it, you can really have your messaging focused on the product that you have, as long as it's providing a solution within that space, right? It's not solving a problem within the health space, but it's solving a problem within this make money online or business opportunity space. Okay, that is the key element right here. So that will help you choose your affiliate products and services. By the way, guys, in case you are interested, I do have my entire course that's in the description of this video as well, that teaches you about all of this. It also shares with you exactly what offers. I personally use Warrior Plus as my main platform where I get sales. And just to show you guys very transparently, I know I did this in the case study, but we'll just look at like year to date or last year, like year to date. Let's look at year to date, and I will just do this to show you guys with My Legion Secret how much this year so far I've earned. About $3,000 in sales, $2,500 in commissions. So it's been generating consistent income for me for the last year. And these are similar numbers to ClickBank. Okay, look, this year has been 2,600 on in commissions on Warrior Plus, and guess what, 2,000 commissions right here. So a totally of like 4,000, basically 4,600 in commissions. And if you just go 4,000, very roughly, I'm doing this, okay, this is not exact, divided by so far we're 11 months, that's $400 a month. Okay, now if until now, even if we put it at 12, it's still $383 a month. So I'm earning, any which way is earning about $300 a month just from this strategy alone. And how I do it is specifically the tips, the kind of offers that I'm looking for here are offers that either have training. So for example, with Warrior Plus, and I'm sharing this with you for you guys to understand, the offers that I'm looking at Warrior Plus are training offers. So I've been sharing a lot on rapid list building, which is a special offer that Ben Fletcher has, and I've been sharing that automated commission system, a lot of Ben Fletcher products because I like his product, Michael Cheney products as well. These are all trainings that people can get, and it really depends. These couple of these, so for example, Partner and Profit is something that I get 100% commissions on. So for me, it makes sense to share it. It's something that I own already. Okay, it's not something that I don't own. I always share products and services that I own. And then automated commission system is another just training, right? Training offers, etc. I look at Warrior Plus as one of it converts really well with My Legion Secret leads. I get about 3 to 5 sales every single week from them, so pretty good. Okay, on ClickBank instead, what I'm looking at ClickBank, for example, right here, is I'm only looking at service-based offers, and this is going to give you a good comparison, right? One is I'm talking about affiliate marketing, and I'm showing training products mainly as solutions, and so that's how I that's my That's the positioning I make in my emails for people to get to relate to me. So I'm talking about a pain point and I'm giving them a solution through the training. Simple. Okay. Now, the similar thing I do with ClickBank and My Lead Gen Secret. All of these sales, by the way, have come from My Lead Gen Secret, and the offers that I've shared with My Lead Gen Secret. Just if I go here and I put just year to date so that you guys can see and clearly, I want to show you guys the offers that I'm using are 1,000 right here. You can see social rep, right app reviews, social paid. This is just this. I haven't got any sales. I don't think I have got any sales in ambassador program this year, have I? No. Yeah, no, that's just come mainly from these top three, right? So these top three, if you look at it, is social rep, right app reviews, and social paid. Okay, these are the main ones that I've earned from this last year. Easy writer, I'm not sure which one this was. I can have a look. Anyways, these are all service-based offers. Even Easy Writer, I think, so is a service-based offer. And the reason why I'm sharing with you that they're all service-based offers is because these are specifically in the make money online space. You're earning money by writing reviews, app reviews, basically. You're earning using Facebook, using live chat. You're earning with Facebook jobs, social media job. This is all service-based offers. So the way I position myself in my marketing about these service-based offers is that you can use these service-based offers, start getting an income for yourself, and take that income and then take this income and the skills and apply it to your own affiliate business, which means basically offers that I was talking about right here. So that's how I link things up in my brain also, but also in how I talk to the audience, right? So far you've understood the strategy. You have looked at My Lead Gen Secret. You have seen the real case study. You've seen in the last email, last video, what to do next after you get started and everything else. And this is just understanding offers. Why? Because when you pick your offer, in the next video, I'm going to talk to you about scaling up and how do you actually go about doing this again and again and again. Because at this stage, you're putting all the pieces of the puzzle together, right? You're understanding what's there, and now you're choosing your product. Maybe you want to just stick with ClickBank. When I got started with My Lead Gen Secret, guys, 3 years ago, I only started with Warrior Plus products. The videos are there on this channel, so you can feel free to check them out. It's all documented. I started with just Warrior Plus. The year after that, and for one specific year, one whole year, I was just promoting Warrior Plus offers. After that year, I added ClickBank, and this year I added something else. But the point is that I went step by step. You don't have to do everything. So at this stage, you need to choose what kind of offers. Do you want service-based offers with ClickBank? Do you want more training offers and stuff like that with Warrior Plus? Up to you. Okay, please make that decision. I have not tested JVZoo. I have not tested I think it's Digistore 24. I haven't tried these offers out, but I'm pretty sure that they will definitely convert if you have the same logic. Whether it is products that you own yourself or not, it's really something for you guys to decide what direction with affiliate products that you want to take. Then we will start writing the emails. So in the next video, basically what I'm going to share with you is how to start really scaling up. Once you have clear product, your clear messaging, how do you actually scale this up? Okay, I'm personally doing it on a daily basis. I'm actually adding more and more to it. We will discuss it in the next video, and I'm going to share with you very clearly. And if you're interested, obviously you can find the course in the description, because that's where you get the most support from me, guys. I hope this video was educational. If you didn't take anything back from this video, the only thing that I want you guys to take back is the fact that the buyer intent of these emails, these leads, are specifically focused on business opportunity and make money online. Therefore, I want you to note down the pain points of this. And if you don't, of this space, and if you don't know what they are, think about yourself. What have you been doing? How long have you been trying to do affiliate marketing in this space? Are you jumping from opportunity to opportunity? What are the struggles that you have? Note them down. Use research. Okay, you can research them, but note down the pain points, because once you have those, you'll be able to integrate them in your storytelling, and that's what's going to make the biggest difference. Here, email matters. The quality of your email matters. Okay, that's it. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true, and make sure you tune in on Wednesday, because I'm going to be sharing about something else on the channel. So make sure you stick around. Basically, on Wednesday, I'm going to be talking about System.io, which is a tool that I use, and I hope that you guys get value from it. It's a free tool to join. So make sure you stick around till Wednesday for another video. See you guys, and keep paving the way for dreams to come true.